So here we are ParqMeUp. We are the sixth group of mobile application development. First, when you get into our app, you will get this message asking for location permission, so we will give the permission. Since I already have an account, I could check it, and here I verify my credentials and then I log in. As you could see in the map, we could find the markers of the parking lots nearby. We can check for the list if we want. Here we can find the transactions, the currently transactions that as a user I have. Here is my profile, so I can add cars. So I want to add a car like another Chevrolet. It's going to be and we can see that the car is here. So that's basically all. If we want to check for the markers has their own name, and that's all.
For the parking lot transaction notification, which is when the camera detects the car entering the parking lot and sends a notification to the activity, and the whole workflow that follows from this. I'm showing this using the emulator and not the cell phone because I want to show how it works from our backend, which is like the image recognition system and the postman. So it all starts when the camera detects the car. It sends a post to base URL/transactions, and it sends the parking lot ID in which the camera is located and the plate image. The plate image is an image like this one. If you see, it's just a picture of a car with its license plate visible. We have previously registered this license plate inside our app so that we will be notified when it enters the parking lot. Here we see that the application isn't open, so we start the transactions with this image and we send it to the backend. This will trigger a notification, which is new parking registered. We can tap this notification to either confirm or reject this transaction. So we have the options to accept or reject the transaction and a prompt to confirm it. We will accept it. This is a bug, it's showing some cached data. But here the user can see the car that is parked, the minutes that it has been parked, and the ongoing cost. If the camera detects that the vehicle is leaving the parking lot, it also sends a post to the server, sending also an image with the license plate. In this case, it is the same image, but it can also be an image of the back of the car or any other angle. We're going to send this notification indicating that the car has left the parking lot. So here we go, the application detects this and exits. And now in transactions, we can see the previous transaction. Here we have an active transaction, and I'm going to close the app and show you the notification when the vehicle is detected leaving the parking lot while the app isn't open. We're going to send the plate image with 2 transactions /complete. And we get a notification. The notification says the transaction was complete, the location was the local park, duration was 0.7 minutes, and it cost 226.
Now we're going to present the connectivity scenarios of our applications. So, in normal conditions, you can navigate through all the app, you can access to the forms, for adding park payment methods or cars. I'm sorry. But if we disconnect, now we're gonna find a list of the parking lots that were loaded to the cache. Same with the transactions with the message at the bottom. And if we try to access the forms, the application is gonna tell me that I'm not allowed. And if we log out and we try to log in, it's not gonna let me. And it's gonna let me register either. One of the scenarios of eventual connectivity is when you try to log in and you don't have any connection. So currently I don't have any connection. So I'm gonna try to log in and the server is gonna show me this message. And if I try to do the same with the register form, it's not gonna let me, and it's gonna show me a snack bar at the end that's gonna let me that I'm offline.